This video is to tell you all about your learning journey within Extreme Academy. We'll go through course 1 in a little bit more detail and the future courses within Extreme Academy programme. Now, this is just one of many videos that are coming your way to support you along your learning journey. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get the latest content and the videos to support you the whole way through. By now you are part of the Extreme Academy programme and you should be venturing your way through course 1. Hopefully you've had your welcome video from Dan Dulac. Next up is your video from me about your learning journey. Following on from this, we have a video about the past, the present and the future of networking, which is all about the evolution of the technology that we love and a little bit about where it is today as you enter the industry. The final video within the Welcome series is all about making networking real. So you'll have real life use cases about networking within different environments such as stadiums, healthcare, etc. Module 2 is jargon busting. The IT industry is full of acronyms and terminology that you might not be used to. So this section is specifically to introduce you to those new terms, break down a few of those key concepts and make it a little bit more fun as you start your learning journey. Both Module 1 and Module 2 are purely videos to welcome you into the Academy. Now, Module 3 is where you get into the deeper learning modules that should take place either in a classroom or online. Again, they're all supported by these videos. Module 3 is all about introducing you to the network and about a model that we use to explain communication flowing through a network. Module 4 is introducing you to Wi-Fi, answering a few key questions that you may have asked previously but not had the technical answers to. Same again for Module 5, it's your introduction to the internet or demystifying the internet. And finally, we go on to Module 6, which is all about network management and management of devices. So what visibility can you get over the network and what value does this have to you? I'd encourage you to look at the programme overview for Course 1 as it goes into more detail with all of the learning objectives that you will expect to achieve. At the end of Course 1, you will have an assessment, which is just a range of questions on the work that you've already done. Once you've passed this, you'll get your first Extreme Networks Associate qualification. I've talked to you a little bit about Course 1, but this is just one of 5 courses within the Extreme Academy programme. Course 2 is a deeper dive into wireless technology. Course 3 is about network design, so taking a small network and scaling this to a much larger environment and considering design needs for different environments such as education, manufacturing, etc. Course 4 is our future course, we're calling it. It's all about harnessing data through networking and the power of this in terms of meeting business needs, a bit more about topics such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. Now, as you can see, we call this our journey from past to future networking. That's because all of these courses follow on from each other in chronological order and they build upon previous knowledge. So we encourage you to make sure that you flow in this order. However, Course 5 is our business course and that complements any course at any stage. The reason for this course is you may have a real love of technology and interest in networking. However, you might want to go down a different career path, not necessarily technical, and this course is for you. It's more about conversations that you'd have with a customer and key skills that are important as you're heading into your career. A few key points about all of the courses. So each course is 2 days, about 12 hours worth of learning content. Throughout all of the courses, you'll have these YouTube videos that are from familiar faces all around Extreme Networks. Essentially, what we're trying to do is explain to you some of the key concepts or some of the lessons and make sure you get to know some faces within the IT industry so you can see how many personalities enter this world and that you're welcomed into this. Now, there are 4 different pieces of information that you need within each of these courses. 1 is the video content. 2 is the courseware that will be delivered by your instructor, either online or in a classroom. 3 are your practical learning assignments. So these are just tasks that help you embed the learning along the way. And also for some of the courses will be lab exercises. And finally is your assessment. Upon completing each course, you will achieve an Extreme Networks Associate certification. We will encourage you to share this on LinkedIn, on social media, and of course your CV. This is a brand new program and will be a key talking point in any interview because it will help you stand out. Finally, we wish you best of luck on your learning journey, welcome you to Extreme Academy again, and can't wait to hear about your successes within your career and within this industry. Make sure that you keep in touch with us with any questions or stories and successes. You can do this by hashtagging Extreme Academy on social media or contacting us at extremeacademy@extremenetworks.com. Your next video is about the past, the present, and the future of networking. but make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get any notifications of what's coming next.